So if you're like me and completely forget to get advent calendars, just make one like this. So I've used a piece of scrap fabric, probably measures about 60 centimeters, 50 by 50, and then I've used scrap fabric for the pockets. It's actually cut off the bottom of a dress. So I've cut them into strips about 10 centimeter wide, and then let's say 10, 20, 30, let's say 40 centimeters long. It's seamed down to make a pocket, but sweet inside, because also my son doesn't eat chocolate, so most advent calendars are just filled with chocolate, so I can put whatever I want in there. You can also put a bit of Lego in, or you know, any small toy. Yeah, so I've seamed it. You don't even need to cut individual pockets. I've just been really lazy just to be quick, because it's the first tomorrow. And then obviously I've written the numbers in fabric pen. You could also, you know, depending how much time you want to put into it, you know, cut the numbers out of fabric and stitch them on, or embroider them on, whatever you fancy. But I just wanted to show you my quick make, and then obviously I've made some holes in the corners, and I'm going to hang it up on the fireplace. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you in case you're stuck for an advent calendar last minute. Thanks for watching. Bye.